Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate the Discord guild tag on your server on Discord. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, you're going to choose your own server because you need to be either a leader or the group leader and owner of your own server. Once you do that, you're going to click on here and then you're going to go to server settings. From here, all you have to do is search this page and then go down until it's see guild settings. Now from here, you're going to select the games that you would like and then select the playstyle of your gameplay. Then from here, you're going to select whatever traits you would like to be with your tag. And then from here, you're going to write a description for your tag guild when people join. And then most importantly, select your guild badge. And then finally, from here, you can write an application for people to answer questions to join your guild. Now, in case this feature is still in beta and it hasn't reached you yet, we have a quick solution just for you temporarily. All you have to do is join this server right here, which we're going to leave in the description for the link ahead. This is going to be your guild archives server. From here, all you have to do is join it and then fill in your name. And then from here, as you can see, there is a chat that says tags and guilds. And from here, you can see all the guild types that you can choose from many different servers. And then from here, all you have to do is click on whatever you would like and then join that server by clicking on here and then simply click on the invite. And then after that, all you have to do is click on your username and then from here go to the settings and then you're going to edit user profile and then scroll down until you see the server tag, and from here you can choose whatever tag you would like. So from this server right here, I can choose this guild tag and now it's on my username. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.